Good evening everyone, Pratiksha Sawant over here and also Sampada Nerurkar over here. I know you guys are having a question कि Pratiksha है किधर? Okay, so it's 2nd of May right now and yes, she is in Pune and आप ये भी पूछना चाहते कि मैं कहाँ पे हूँ. So I am heading towards Pune and as you all know, or for the guys who don't know, it's her birthday on 4th of May. She's finally getting 19 and I am heading towards Pune to give her a surprise and she doesn't know that I'm coming Pune. She's still thinking कि मैं मुंबई में हूँ and obviously मतलब हमारे बहुत बातें होती है but अभी 2-3 दिन से I'm acting like I'm just okay or I'm just weird kind of. So let's see what she thinks. अभी बस it will be in 1 or 2 hours I'll be reaching. Right now I have reached नवी मुंबई पहुंच गई हूँ मैं और अभी 2 घंटे में तो एटलीस्ट हम पुणे पहुंच जाएंगे. So let's see अभी क्या होता है. It's gonna be a big surprise for her. I know she's going to get shocked. So stay tuned. Whoa. Hey guys, this is Sampada Nerurkar over here and welcome to the Verge of She Dreams. So right now it's 11:50 and it's 3rd of May right now and अभी 10 minutes में हमारी बर्थडे गर्ल प्रतीक्षा उसका बर्थडे है and it's just 10 minutes left. So right now I just started vlogging here right now कि अभी इसका just बर्थडे का एक ग्लिम्स आपको बताने वाली. Okay, so I want to tell you guys is कि मैंने भी सोचा कि right now you guys know what the situation is. So I just thought कि let's make something from like some creativity, something I could make. So I just thought कि I wanted to cut her 12 बजे का केक. So I just thought कि मैं उसके लिए खुद के हाथों से एक प्यारा सा केक बनाती हूँ जो उसे बहुत पसंद है and she doesn't know कि मैंने वो बना के रखा है. She's just wondering that everything is just okay and everything is just normal, but she doesn't know मैंने बना के रखा है. Right now she's just taking a touch up and अभी थोड़ी just 10 minutes में आपको वो केक का ग्लिम्स भी देखने मिलेगा. So stay tuned. Good morning everyone. Firstly it's 11 o'clock in the morning and obviously it's my baby girl, my Poo's birthday right now and like I'm just thinking to do something special for her like as you all guys know कि अभी situation क्या है. We are not, no one is going out, there is a lot of lot of negativity and outside. So अभी लॉकडाउन है तो मैंने सोचा एटलीस्ट घर पे I'll do something special for her that she feels good of. तो मैंने सोचा है उसके लिए and also for important note that वो सुबह नहीं उठ पाती. So obviously she wakes up at her time and obviously वो breakfast तो नहीं कर पाएगी. So not breakfast but not lunch. I am planning a brunch for her, a sweet little cute brunch for her and I have just decided the menu that what I want to make for her and you guys just stay tuned कि what exactly I'm going to do for her and what exactly I'm going to make for her. I'll show you guys the glimpse, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is the brunch that I have prepared for her. This is a cake that I have made for her and जैसे कि उसको strawberry cakes बहुत पसंद है तो this is in chocolate and strawberry flavor. These are some letters that I have made for her. This is my favorite photo of hers and this is something I've made. Yes, it's a milkshake because she really likes milkshakes a lot. Like strawberry is her favorite flavor. These are the photos of ours, the favorite photos of ours जो हम दोनों को पसंद है. Also this is a white sauce pasta जो मैंने उसके लिए तैयार किया है and this is her all time favorite food, literally वो इसे 24/7 भी consume कर सकती है, उतना मेरे को उसके ऊपर गारंटी है. So she is going to shock कि मैंने उसके लिए ये बनाया है. Now I have this is a Oreo milkshake. Like I know strawberry is not available right now, but Also, her second favorite is Oreo, so I prepared an Oreo shake. This is a Happy 19 sticker, as she likes a lot of handmade gifts. तो उसे मेरा actually creativity नहीं पता था. I don't know how is my creativity, but I have tried my best with all the things I have. And the very last thing, dun ta da, this is a chocolate flavored pancake with a Kit Kat on the top. So Kit Kat उसका favorite Cadbury है, as per I know. जब तक जो टाइम से मैं उसके साथ हूँ, it's been 2.5 years. I know Kit Kat is her all-time favorite Cadbury. So yes, Kit Kat. And this is a pancake because उसको मेरे हाथ के pancakes try करने थे, तो I thought मैंने अभी तक उसके लिए बनाया नहीं है, तो I'll just make it for her. And this is everything I've made. So let's see what she reacts. अभी Prats तैयार हो गई है कि नहीं? I'll just call her right now and I'll just check कि babes अपनी आप तैयार हो गए हो कि नहीं. And I'll just call her up. Let's see. Okay, I'm calling her and I'll show you guys. Nice quality. Hello. Hi birthday girl. अभी भी नींद में क्या?
नहीं, लाइनर लगा रही हूँ, 2 मिनट में आती हूँ, रुक.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm waiting. Just come up. जल्दी से ASAP, okay? हाँ. Bye. So as you guys heard, she's coming right now, and I'm really excited to check her reaction. So I'll just get back to you. Okay, look at the person, the birthday girl who is coming over here.
Hi, guys.
Hi birthday girl. How are you
Hi.
feeling? It's the morning and आपकी usual time से मैंने आपको जल्दी उठा दिया है. I am sorry but no sorry. It's your birthday, so you have to wake up early.
Yeah.
And wait a second. Dun, ta-da!
वाओ, मेरे टेरेस पे मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आ रही हूँ ना.
Yes. नहीं. Come on. Okay.
Oh my god.
Done.
I love these.
Your plants.
No, it's not my plants, it's my sister's.
Your favorite plants, my girl.
Yeah. I love it. So yeah,
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Again,
So
I want to
the
ask you this every day because I really want to know how are you really feeling.
I'm feeling good now.
Guys,
Today is my birthday, so I have to feel good. There is no chance.
happy birthday to you.
So yes, I'm feeling excited also, guys. And secondly, like मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है क्योंकि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठी हूँ मेरे बर्थडे के दिन.
मैंने आज इसको बहुत इसका ब्लैंकेट खींच के उठाया. I really wanted her to wake up. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So, are you ready?
क्या इधर गेम्स खेलने वाले हैं?
No.
तो
There's something for you.
चाय भी नहीं पी है मैंने अभी तक.
आ रहे हो मेरा हाथ पकड़ के आ रहे हो आप? Okay, come.
हाथ ही पकड़ा है.
Okay.
ये वाइट अच्छा लग रहा है, ये न्यू टॉप
बहुत प्रिटी लग रहा है.
जो Amazon से मंगाया है गाइस
Okay.
मैंने.
So guys, I'll be up to you. Give me your hand. Okay. Yay! 1, 2 and 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. बोलो क्या हो गया?
रिएक्शन दूं क्या? ठीक है.
Wait. Your chair. 1 minute.
Direct. I'm just seeing. I just want to see.
Okay.
Okay, that's nice. ये तूने बनाया है?
Yes.
Nice.
Shocked?
Yeah. क्योंकि इसकी ड्राइंग मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं थी क्योंकि मेरे को ड्राइंग में गाइस बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. Oh, I need to always smile.
What is this? Yeah. Oh.
I love this. This is what, breakfast? What is
No,
this?
no, dear. आप कोई breakfast करते हो? It's a brunch, especially for you.
Okay, thanks. I love this photo. This is like last year's my birthday's picture.
Yes.
And what is this?
Don't worry. One of our favorites, all of our favorite photos, I've kept.
Guys, I'm 19.
Finally.
Guys, that freaking stress I'm getting of 19, of being 19 now. Guys, but I'm just shocked because मैंने इसका कभी pancakes नहीं खाया था, मुझे try करना था. And मेरा favorite Oreo milkshake. And what is this? This is my favorite dish, guys. I hope संपदा ने बता ही दिया होगा. My favorite dish is like white sauce pasta because मैं white sauce pasta दिख रही हूँ वैसे भी.
For a note, she has also worn a white color top.
And वैसे भी guys मैं white sauce pasta की dish ही हूँ.
एकदम saucy and tangy and spicy.
Yeah, and I love white sauce pasta, everyone. Thank you so much. Sam. I love you. So yeah, let's start.
Let's start. Okay, 1 minute. So here's your chair, madam.
You don't need to do all this. Whatever.
Okay. Thanks.
I'm feeling like a princess now. गाइज लाइक हम लोग ने सोचा था कि इस बार लाइक मतलब आई थिंक बर्थडे लाइक कहाँ बनाने वाले थे. हम बाहर बनाने वाले थे. लाइक हम कहीं प्लेस जाने वाले थे जहाँ हम विजिट नहीं किया है पहले तो. बट द थिंग वॉज कि दिस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन एंड यू गाइज नो एवरीथिंग. सो हमने सोचा कि घर में एक अच्छा सेलिब्रेशन किए. तो संपदा ही नहीं सब प्लान किया. कल रात में भी आई गॉट अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल सरप्राइज विथ अ केक एंड नाउ दिस ब्रंच. आई एम लविंग इट.
Are you sure? You're looking the prettiest and the hottest. Especially your eye look, my love. It is really elegant. And कोई भी देखेगा तो प्यार में पड़ जाने वाला है. ये झूठ नहीं बोल रही हूँ because guys you all know उसकी आँखें बहुत अच्छी है, touch wood. And I really love her eyes. Her eyes and her smile is the
खुद ही मारा
नहीं सच बात बता रही हूँ. And I know you guys are going to agree with me कि उसकी स्माइल एंड उसके आईज सबसे प्रिटीएस्ट है दुनिया में.
आपको पता नहीं कोरोना की सिचुएशन में आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मतलब हम लोग सोच रहे थे शॉपिंग कहाँ से करें ड्रेस क्योंकि मॉल्स वर लाइक क्लोज्ड एंड एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक फक्ड अप. सो हम लोग वही सोच रहे थे कि मतलब क्या करना है. देन ऑल्सो वी ट्राइड मतलब कि सारे क्लोथ्स अमेजोन या फ्लिपकार्ट या H&M या मतलब जो भी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करे एंड जल्दी आ गया.
Thanks to everyone and every delivery boy who are still no it's a fact.
Yes, it's a fact.
Like कि जो ये टाइम में भी डिलीवर कर रहे हैं एंड अपना खून पसीना बहा के. So thanks to everyone. पसीना.
बर्थडे के लिए I'm just overwhelming.
And for everyone जिसका बर्थडे अप्रैल मई या जून में आता है उनके लिए
all the best.
Not all the best but
all the best to everyone. Like मुझे पता है कैसे फील होता है. So yeah, and I want to thank each and everyone. like मैं लास्ट मतलब जो मतलब व्लॉग होगा या लास्ट डे होगा या मैं कुछ शॉर्ट करने वाली हूँ तो मैं उसमें बोलने वाली हूँ लाइक कल से मैं मतलब आपके सारे स्टोरीज एंड लाइक मेंशंस एंड आपके सारे DMs में थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. लाइक दिस इज लाइक बेस्ट बर्थडे एवर. आई लव यू ऑल. आई थिंक लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ.
Let's start guys. Junad Shabas.
It's yum. I'm loving it. I think मेरा रोज बर्थडे होना चाहिए. मेरे को रोज ब्रंच. I'm immensely in love with this white sauce pasta. Love you. Thanks for this beautiful brunch.
All yours love.
खा लूं?
खा लो.
आई थिंक मैंने 15 डेज के बाद मिल्क शेक पिया है. इट्स डैम. आई एम लविंग इट. मेरा मेकअप तो नहीं जा रहा.
नहीं जाने दे बट तू पूरा खाना बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट फॉर यू. इट्स फॉर यू. तेरा फेवरेट. ओके.
किट कैट. आई लव दिस.
ऑल टाइम फेवरेट कैडबरी.
मैं इसमें डिप करके खाऊंगी.
दैट्स हर काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बो एंड गाइस यू शुड आल्सो ट्राई थिंग्स लाइक combos. Try करने चाहिए कभी भी.
I'm happy. Thanks.
I love you.
More.
Say interesting. I love it. I'm enjoying. Feel happy. I'm a happy stomach. Okay. Guys, I'll झूठा खाने से प्यार बढ़ता है. दोस्तों का भी. Okay. I hope आप सबकी लाइफ में कैसी दोस्तों. So guys, क्या करूँ? Enjoy करूँ ब्रंच बर्थडे गर्ल का कि आपको दिखाए. बट मैं बस संपर्क भी बोलूँगी आज के सारे वो छोटे छोटे शॉर्ट्स आपके लिए कैप्चर करें क्योंकि हम आपके ब्लॉग बनाएंगे आपको जैसा फील हो कि आप भी हमारे साथ बर्थडे पे आप हमारे साथ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं गाइस. बाय. Hey guys, so yes, this is just the start of the decoration as you can see. And Abhi Nimo is on the way, so this is just starting to show you. And Abhi will be soon. गाइस सो इट्स लाइक कि हमने प्राइस का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर दिया है एंड राइट नाउ उसने उसके बर्थडे टाइम पे लाइक व्हेन शी वाज कटिंग हर केक शी वोन द बर्थडे ड्रेस लाइक द वन पीस दैट हर मॉम गिफ्टेड हर सो obviously it was a very special moment at that time also and we really enjoyed and now it's the time that the birthday dress that I gifted her she's going to wear that on a very special moment जो आप जल्द ही देखोगे it's a damn big surprise for her also and for you all also so right now अभी मैंने बस उसको बोला है कि चलो अभी केक वेक तो हो गया है मैडम अभी आप जल्दी से जल्दी आप वो ड्रेस पहनिए एंड जल्दी यू जस्ट कम बिकॉज देयर इज अ थिंग arranged for you and she is still confused कि क्या हो सकता है वो anyways let's see but it's a big surprise for her especially and I just want to see that reaction as soon as possible so yeah and you guys also stay tuned then ta-da! Okay so the birthday girl has arrived again
Guys, we have already done with my birthday.
आइए इधर आइए oh my god
Loading.
this is so cute
Guys, firstly, I need to tell you all that my birthday has been done, but Sampada wanted me to wear her dress on my birthday for a special moment. She told me there is a surprise for me, so I am wearing it. And yeah, so yes.
So guys, let's start. Hi, come over. Okay. So, okay. Why are you so awkward? I'm not so awkward. So, okay, guys, this is okay. So, firstly, my birthday, my home, and I want to tell you that it's been 2.5 years now. You love me, dear family. I am. She is my daughter. I'm going to keep it and so is no, just help me out and both of them are going to and I love you. So what you get it now? Yeah, we like it. Yeah, okay. So, are you ready? Hey guys, so we are really sorry कि last clip आपको थोड़ा जल्दी देखना पड़ा. I know it was very fast and obviously the last clip was a big bomb for my bomb. Okay. Guys, firstly I need to tell you all that कि it's my birthday today and I am just vlogging. Holding my camera into my hand is my real love, I think, and that's what it is. कि birthday के दिन पे भी I need to vlog. मतलब I cannot control myself कि you shouldn't vlog today. Sampala should vlog, but पूरे दिन में I'm just feeling like why aren't I am vlogging because I need that thing in my hand. I just need to vlog and first it's my life and I love doing that. And secondly, guys, this surprise was like a bomb for me because I was not knowing because Sampada has already gifted me so many things. I will just do a birthday gift haul to show you all because she has already done. She has given me many gifts on this birthday, and then after that now. मुझे पता चला कि she has gifted me this ring. I was like, guys, I don't have a reaction because I don't have words. As you all know कि बर्थडे के मतलब कल रात से ही 12 बजे से I'm getting so many surprises that डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए मुझे ही खुद को अजीब हुआ है कि मैं इतनी सारी सरप्राइजेस कैसे एक साथ डाइजेस्ट करूँ. I'm just happy and I think you guys know कि इसके लिए भी रिएक्शन I don't have a reaction because I'm overwhelmed with everything, with my family, with my best friend, with everything. I'm just so happy today and yes guys, I love you all so much. बाकी का I'll just vlog a haul for you all. Okay, can I say something? One more thing. Okay. So this morning, this madam, her hands were shivering because obviously 2 दिन से 3 दिन से camera was with me. And she was feeling like उसका कुछ तो खो गया है, उसका कुछ तो बिछड़ गया उससे. And she was shivering literally. And I was telling तू कैमरे को हाथ लगाना तो तू याद रखना. Okay. So this madam इन्होंने फिर भी कंट्रोल करके